In the fiercely competitive world of youth sports, every athlete is looking for an edge. But it's not just about physical skills. The mental and emotional obstacles facing our young athletes today are more challenging than ever. As a parent, you see the pressures they're under, the struggle to balance sports, school, and life, the anxiety of moving to the next level, whether it's varsity, college, or beyond. You want to help them succeed, but you're not sure how. The answer is to spend time training their mindset, introducing Empower and Excel, cultivating a champion's mindset, a training program that will guide your athlete through the mental, emotional hurdles of their sport. As a coach and an expert in behavioral modeling, I've been working with student athletes and empowering them to shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset for the last 30 years. Empower and Excel isn't just another training session. It's a deep dive into the mind of a champion. We'll tackle the tough stuff, clearing negative beliefs and resolving emotional conflicts and building the mental resilience they need to thrive. But the journey doesn't end with this one-day workshop. Our 10-week Become Your Own Life Coach Challenge will instill crucial habits for managing emotions and beliefs. This will set up athletes for success in every aspect of their lives. And the best part, by joining forces with other families, you can save up to 80% on this life-changing experience. This workshop is for groups of 20 to 60 athletes with parents encouraged to attend at no additional charge. Take advantage of this opportunity to give your athlete the competitive edge they need, both on and off the field. Register for Empower and Excel today and watch them soar to new heights.